Imagine you're stranded in the middle of the ocean. Your boat has stopped, and all of your drinking water is gone. You look around and see water everywhere. The first sip of seawater feels like relief, but only for a moment. Inside the body, salt level is extremely high. The stomach feels heavy. Thirst does not go away. It gets worse. The body immediately realizes, this is not water. This is poison-level salt. Now the real damage begins. Seawater has more salt than human blood, so the body starts pulling water out of cells to balance it. Symptoms begin: dry mouth headache, extreme thirst, weakness. Even though you drank water, you are now more dehydrated than before. The kidneys try to fix the problem, but they are overwhelmed. To remove extra salt, the body needs water, but there is no clean water available. Now symptoms get worse: dizziness, confusion, fast heartbeat, nausea. The brain starts to struggle because it is losing water too. If seawater keeps being consumed, kidney failure begins, blood becomes toxic, seizures may occur, loss of consciousness.